Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the Find File or Folder feature on your device using Adobe Bridge File Manager or Folder Manager in 2026. So let us guide you through it. Head over to or launch Adobe Bridge on your computer, log into your account, and you can use this feature to navigate to a file or folder on your device you don't know the location of anymore. For example, it works like the search feature or find feature also on your device on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let me show you how it works. So what you want to do is click into edit in the top left, use the shortcut Control F or Command F if you're using Mac for find. And then you will see this mask here. You may select the source, for example, I don't know, drive C or drive D on your computer. Select it from the drop-down menu and then adjust the criteria, the file name, or may contain, I don't know, may contain or does not contain, starts with, ends with, and so on and so forth. And then if it's a file name, for example, enter a word of the given file. It doesn't have to be the entire file name. If you select contains, it may be, I don't know, a part of the file name. And after that, select the matched results here. If any criteria are met or if all criteria are met, so that's up to you. Include also subfolders if you like, or you may unselect this. And once that's done, guys, also don't forget to click into that plus button here to add a new criteria, because you can use actually multiple of these. If the file or folder you're looking for applies to several of these criteria, or remove the given one by clicking into the trash icon. And to process this, click into Find here in the bottom right, and after that Adobe Bridge will look for these files and folders on your device and filter out any files and folders within the given source that meet these criteria. Now, I'm not going to do this. I would like to keep my computer private, of course, but this is how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.